Oh, no way, bro. You got that.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's like, it's not moving.
Yeah, dude, it's just blinking. It's just...
Dude.
What the hell?
Yeah, because you can see it in comparison with this star.
Yeah.
Holy cow, I'm going to start sitting on the hill and watching from now on out. You haven't seen it before? For real?
No.
Good question.
What type of satellite would that be? I don't think that's a satellite.
That's not a satellite. That's a ship of some kind. It's got to be.
Well, bro, it's blinking faster. You see that? It's blinking hella fast.
Wow.
Dude, that's fucking crazy. Dude. It's such a miracle. It's making me cry. A miracle? Yeah. Pussy.
Man, whatever, he's feeling it, man. Don't label him.
I've never seen an alien ship.
It's a healing. Green is healing as well. Earth, healing, grounding.
What's gonna happen? It's like this whole earth gets obliterated.
It's sending off like codes.
That's what I'm thinking.
Telepathic messages.
Like, look, it blinks faster, slower.
To help assist humanity.
Dude, no way. Is it moving?
Nope. Oh yeah, it is now.
Bro!
It does.
What the shit?
Blinking green.
Dude, it just had 2 lights on the side. You didn't see that? You caught that on your phone. Why is
That'd be cool if it just like disappeared.
It's going to, watch. I've seen this with the white one.
Oh, cool. Off it goes. The color's not picking up too well on the phone.
Dude,
though.
it looks like he's getting closer to the ground.
Whoa.
He's getting closer, bro. I'm putting my eyes down now. What the fuck? He's turning. What the fuck? He's coming down here. It disappeared. What the fuck, dude? What the fuck? Oh shit! Is he coming down here?
That is amazing. It's going down that in that hill somewhere.
Let's go check it out, man.
Wow.
There it is. It landed. What the fuck? Dude, it's right there in the hill. What the fuck?
Cool.
The light just turned off. What the fuck, dude? Aurora!